Think your Windows PC might have malware, or just want to run a security check? Windows security includes Microsoft Defender, which can scan your computer for malicious software. In this guide, I'll show you how to run different scans and what to do if something is detected. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the main security dashboard. Next, select Virus and Threat Protection. Here you'll find your current threat status, recent scan information, and the available Microsoft Defender scan options. For a fast malware check, select Quick Scan. Windows will examine common locations where malicious software may be found. This is useful for regular checks when you don't need a complete system scan. For a more thorough check, select Scan Options and choose Full Scan. This examines much more of your system, including files and running programs. A full scan can take quite a while, so it's best to let it finish without interrupting it. If you're concerned about a particular file or folder, you can scan that location directly. In File Explorer, right-click the item and use the Microsoft Defender Scan option if it's available. This is handy for checking a downloaded file before opening it. For malware that's difficult to remove while Windows is running, open Scan Options and choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Windows will restart and perform the scan outside the normal Windows environment, which can help detect persistent threats. After the scan finishes, check the results under Current Threats or Protection History. If Windows detects malware, review the detection details and follow the recommended action. Don't restore or allow a suspicious file unless you're certain it's safe. If you haven't updated Defender recently, go to Protection Updates and select Check for updates before running another scan. Current security intelligence helps Defender recognize newer threats. If malware is detected, follow Windows Security's recommended action, such as removing or quarantining the item. Then consider running another scan afterward. If the same threat keeps returning, an offline scan may be worth trying. And that's how to scan your PC for malware using Windows Security. Start with a quick scan, use a full or offline scan when needed, and keep Defender updated. Regular scans and safe browsing habits can go a long way toward keeping your PC protected.